How to change your eBay account from personal to business. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your eBay account from personal to business. If you already have a private account, change it into a business account with a few clicks. First, go to My eBay and click the Account tab. Then click Personal Information on the left side of the page. Here, click Edit next to Account Type. You might have to sign in again. On the Change Account Type page, select the Business Account option and click Confirm to change your account type. On the following page, you can enter your business information such as name, contact information, VAT number, and returns policy. When you're ready, click Save. Be aware that you won't be able to change your account back to being private once it has been converted without liaising directly with eBay's support team. If you want to set up an entirely new account, click on Register for a business account on the registration page. It will then take you to the registration for a business account. You will then also need to provide details of a bank account that accepts direct debits, as eBay will collect your seller fees via this method. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.